And good day. Just bringing you an update on what's going on with my 2x2 grow. Grows have been in flower for 1 week now. The stretch has just begun. Got a few hairs sticking out here and there, so they should be looking a little prettier next week. Had to drastically cut back the 3 middle ones. They were taking up way too much real estate. I want to emphasize on the 4 main growths. I may even sacrifice the 3 smaller ones at some point. We'll see how it goes. I want to, keep her to see as green as possible. The 4 main girls just finished their last drink was just plain water. I try to do a food, water schedule. Clean water every second feed just to flush out the salts. Keep everything from burning. Very rarely do full strength. Start off usually with only half strength and then ramp it up a little bit about 3rd week of flower when the stretch slows down. This round I'm just using the Pro Mix. I've got 3 bottles. Various NPK formulations. They all have kelp extract and extra vitamins and stuff in them. Organic, which is hard to come by, so I thought I'd give them an honest go. I also have the General Hydroponic brand for backup if things go awry. Everything is looking good though. I wanted to be flipped by flower by the time we reach that crease there. And we are hitting that point. I've got at least 2 more feet of head space before I start getting into a challenge. So as long as we don't get too carried away with the stretch, we should be good. Everybody's still healthy and happy. I just gave the 3 little ones a nice jolt of bloom fert. The other 4 bigger ones are going to get it in a couple of days when they finally dry out from the last watering. I try to let them dry back each watering. That keeps the fungus gnats at bay and also avoids the overwatering thing. I sometimes, drift into the underwatering. That looks a little wrinkly because she was up against the door. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you again next week. We'll see how she's looking.